What is CARICE? It's the Centre for Aging Resilience in a Changing Environment. And what we're doing is we're bringing together scientists from loads of different disciplines to talk together about how we can make our populations more resilient.
My research is quite varied. I sort of try and describe myself as a biologist and data scientist. Although what I really like and what's so great about coming to events like this is I work interdisciplinary, my research interests are interdisciplinary. So it's great to have a forum where I can explore those.
The overall aim of my research is to investigate the role of diet on the prevention of age-related diseases and to promote healthy aging. So one of the biggest challenges in this area of research is to promote behavior change at a population level. So how can we make people eat a healthy diet? That's a big challenge and is very much needed. And also we need to make sure that everybody have access to healthy food regardless of their socioeconomic status. So I hope my research will contribute to develop dietary strategies and solid evidence to support the improvement of age-related diseases for optimal health. Yeah.
So my area is basically focusing on using longitudinal data sets and to analyze various policies, especially health and long-term care policies, social care policies, how these policies affect people's health outcome, access to healthcare services and social care services, and what we can do to improve the policy. I find it's fascinating to listening to all these doctors or scientists talking about the biological factors of aging, and that makes me to think how we can actually work together.
I'm very interested in the vascular system and smooth muscle cells and how these cells become dysfunctional in aging and disease to drive vascular breakdown, hardening of the arteries and other pathologies that cause mortality. It's really important for people from different disciplines to come together and share their knowledge and their methodologies. So taking again an example from my field and vascular calcification, we recently screened a very large drug library to look at factors that might treat vascular calcification. And many of the drugs that came out of that were common in plant products. And so that means that now I can collaborate with people that work on diet and cardiovascular health from a clinical perspective, and we can move further towards translation and maybe finding a treatment for calcification, which at the moment has no treatments and is very intractable.
Aging is a very multi-systemic property, and everyone from people studying cellular or organ systems all the way up to studying very large-scale epidemiological effects of disease risk are extremely important. We need the understanding of this process at every level to be able to start to mitigate it. And it's only through conferences such as this or meetings such as this where people that are working on aging all the way down from the fundamental biological level up to the effects of these processes in millions of people that we'll ever be able to start to address these issues.